Hi, my glorious chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use this pineapple coring tool to cut pineapple spiral slices. The first thing you do is twist the leaves off the top of the pineapple. Just twist and it'll come right off. Next, take your knife and slice off the top. Here I'm using a chef's knife, but I have learned that a long serrated knife works a little bit better. I have a panini knife that I use these days. Then set the pineapple on its top and take the coring tool and align the center circular section of it over the tough fibrous core of the pineapple. Push the teeth into place, then just twist and turn the coring tool by its handle until you hit the bottom of the pineapple. Once you've hit the bottom, you pretty much just pull straight up. It might be a little tough to pull up because of the suction, but just keep pulling and it'll slide out. Take the handle off and flip the metal part of the tool with the pineapple on its upside down onto a plate or a bowl, and it slides right off the tool and pulls right out. The spirals separate easily by hand, or you can take your knife and slice straight down one or both sides to separate the slices from each other. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I love how this makes uniform pieces, and you can easily avoid eating the tough fibrous core, which I used to eat, but I didn't know any better.
If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!